Hello friends, welcome back to Ariman Prophecy. So we are still in Thais, and from here we will have a tour of this castle where Prince Alicia, which was in the ballroom with Edward, and the parents of and the king and the queen are not very happy with that. They didn't let her, not they let her, but the princess didn't get married to Prince. So we are here, as I told you, we have two alternatives to choose our party members right now, so we can only opt for one. So we are here with Prince Alicia. Let's talk to her. She's happy that she didn't get married to Prince, and as I told, she's not that fond of the royal customs and the way she's living. She don't want to be like the princess, and she's Arya Stark of Thais. So she wants to go to a journey and be a badass like Arya Stark. So she wants to be with us, and she demands, rather doesn't want, she demands to be with us. So if I refuse her, she would just make a sad face and not any comments. But eventually, there's a part which Prince Alicia can play, so we will choose her. And she gets ready for. I'm impressed that you don't like. Of course, she won't be going into that forest with the ball gown or the princess gown. So Alicia here would be very strong as compared to others. I mean, apparent to uh, Devin. Pendragon, Alicia Pendragon. Okay, so if you see, Alicia here will have a health almost close to Devin, and even her stats would be good. Not her stats, I mean her defense and attack. And she has a helmet at the crown, which is super strong. She has an iron shield, and she has a armor which is, let me see, a plate armor, which is not rare, not very common right now. It is rare. We won't have plate armor very soon in this game. So it is stronger than what we have right now, even stronger to what and rapier as a. So let me tell you, rapier is a weapon which will give you multiple attacks. So you'll attack more than one enemy at one time. So knowing that, I think already said, this would be beneficial if you are in the zone where you have multiple enemies surrounding you. And so this lady, this girl, can easily hit them multiple times. I mean, your one chance, you'll only get one chance for her out of four. So when you hit her, sorry, not hit her, when Prince Alicia would hit, Princess Alicia would hit, it would hit 3 to 4 enemies which are around. So you'll get a multiple attack, multiple damages on it. So let's save it here, and we'll move further. Okay, I came in into this Devonshire just to look into that lady Stella who gave us the death certificate and see what's going on. I don't know if it is important, but not. Okay, he's happy that she found her wife back, and the boy is also happy that mom is back. Let's talk to the lady itself. I'm alive. Okay, she's more than happy to be alive. Came in like a wrecking ball. Okay, so back into Thais from the Mule Express, and okay, now let's go to the new area that I promised last time. So although I mean we have done everything that we need to do over here, so next thing is to go to uh, Animal Village. I hope showed you in one of the videos where this small canoe with row herself upstream, and there's an area to the left where we just walked to the stairs and came back. So let's continue with this place. Okay, the sign that we read, beware of the man eating bats. I know bats have been very cruel in recent times thanks to corona. Chickens of the hell, chickens of the hell sounds rocky. And it's raining. Is it raining? Yeah, it is raining. Okay, no more stairs. There's a bridge over here. Let's go to the bridge. I wonder if I can get something from the logs. The background, if you see, this is similar to the dream that we had and the sequence. I mean, the cinematic that plays. Simple to that. And just here, there is a man. The scarecrow or the man? Hunter, sure, I am pretending to be a bird. Okay. So he's a hunter who's looking for animals and apparently just kind of camouflaging himself like a scarecrow by looking like a bird. Alright, there's a goat. I mean, the goat that attacked you in the Devonshire, but it's not. It's a friendly goat here, and it won't attack you. So let's move to one of the house. This one is locked. The chicken running around. The sky is falling. The sky is falling. So we have our chicken little over here. Say the sky is falling. Oh dear! I have lost my cowbell again. I hope this is not one of the tasks that we have. And these are empty. I don't think I have to find the cowbell. If it is a side task, then I'm not willing to do it now. No. Relic, patience, relic. Find the pirate. Okay, we need to do that. Broom back to the. Okay, so thank God that is not our task now. I was wondering, I've been just another task. Okay, this one is locked, and this one is empty. I think this is of the goat outside. The Elven Library, the most impressive. Okay, the Elven Library haven't went there yet. We might be going. There's a pig. Some animal prefers clothes, but okay. So he's a naturist, nudist, whatever you call. It's a school. And let me see if this read something. Shape is determined by how one perceives. Okay. I can't see. It's only. You need to be taller, bro. Or you need a stool. Have you seen my brother Frederick? Okay, Frederick say he hasn't been to class in several days. What does he look like? Okay, so we did. So let me tell you the Bliztooth desert, and we saw a toad talking frog. So apparently he's the animal. I mean, I'm from Animal Village, and he's there. So this, I told you, the second candidate for the party member, he is the one, Frederick. So we can choose to take him along with us, or rather not along, because we already have Princess Alicia. But let me tell you, the last time I played 15-16 years back, I mean, this one is a strong character. Princess Alicia has her pros that she can attack multiple times, but this person here can shape shift, and he can become different characters, different animals rather. And one of the benefit is when he is a lion, he can become a lion. Yeah, he can become a lion. So that lion can actually make good attacks. So looking into that perspective, I think I would rather prefer him over Princess Alicia. But I do have a well done student. You look like, just like a human. So the cat or all that I don't know what it was. We are student. So back, I said, I mean, there's a storyline which will work in future. I'm not to the part of the game story, but you can let Devin and Princess Alicia marry, or you can let Devin and Talia marry. So I prefer the latter one, the first one, Princess Alicia, and I'll go through the sequence of that as well. You have to do 2 to 3 tasks. Okay, there's an inn over here, but we are not welcome as a human. So we can't stay here if you are looking to regain your health or save something. I mean, you can save, but you can't regain your health over here unless you are an animal. So let's get back. So I wanted Princess Alicia and Devin to marry. I mean, is one sequence that will not benefit in the game of story, but just for the game. Did I just went back here? I can't get up now. I don't know, that was a glitch. Okay, so we won't take him right now. I want to play a part with the Princess Alicia, and also we have to go to the Witchwood Swamp. And now that we are 4 characters, I would prefer, and we also have the cast charm necklace. The charm necklaces to wear and prevent from the witch in the west. So we'll try beating her, and as Princess Alicia wants her part of the adventure, so we'll give her part of adventure, and then we'll see if we need to keep her or not with her. So rather than just boycotting her right now, neglecting her right now, let's give her some adventure space, adventure time to her, so that she can let her king and queen, her father and Alexandra and Alexandre, let them know that okay, she did her part as well. Although my is strong, but yeah. So we meet you in Kandar. Okay, here to the Witchwood. I have my poison ring, so not to worry. Now that we have a shovel with us, the little shovel that we got from Thais, from the lady in the brothel, I will not say brothel, she's living a clean life now. So she gave us the little shovel that we can use to dig up the graves. So while we are here, I would go through the graves as well to see if there is any treasure around. I'm wearing poison ring just to be defending those poisonous frog. I mean, I should also wear charm necklaces to beat this access, but I'm not. I mean, the majority are the frogs, and lesser are the minority are the this black robe hexes. So let's not wear them, because every time you do that, you end up getting poison for 2 characters, and it's a waste of time for some time. If we are going to be here for longer time, then I would prefer that. Okay, there's one grave over here. So all the graves are okay. There's a unholy shield, which I think we already got in the underworld, where we beat Evren and got Death Relic from there. So now holy shield I have given to Devin to wear, and it's nothing here. So every time you get poisoned or cursed, I think you can't wear both of them. So poison ring or charm necklaces, you have to select some of them to at least two characters. Okay, there's one more grave over here. Pair of shoes with the bird wings attached to these shoes. Although you have okay, this is a funny story. The last time I played this game, I didn't know what the shoes were, and I thought it's a fancy item, and I sold them. So these shoes are required at least in the later part of the game, or rather the ending of the game, when you are within the vampires and you have to beat one werewolf. I think I don't remember the whole story. When we are there, I'll let you know. But this is beneficial because it will make you run fast. I mean, many complaints that the character are moving very slow in the game. I mean, when you are wandering around in the forest or you are going around your ways on the road. So many complaints the character are moving very slow. So this will actually make you run very fast, and Talia can equip it. So I'll make Talia. Where are they? Yeah. So it is part of a trinket. So if you are wearing this one, you will lose. Okay, I have something over here. Hammer. Okay, this I played offline. This I got in the snowy land. I'll let you know. Okay, so here are the shoes. So if you wear them, the poison ring will be gone, and you will be vulnerable to poison attack. But if you run fast, then of course you can avoid the villains, monsters. So let me demonstrate. Here you go. It is hard to control. It's hard to control with a mobile phone. Now it is beneficial if you are fighting with some strong monsters. You can just go by your way quickly, just sneak past very swiftly from them. So it is good there, but again, as I said, it will be vulnerable to poison attack. So be wary of that, or any other attack. I mean, if it is a charm or it is a hex. And even the menu items, you have to navigate it very fast. It's not easy to do that. So we didn't get poisoned this time, but let's wear back our poison ring now. It was just a demonstration. I'll be wearing it. I will not be selling it this time. I won't be silly, and I'll let you know once we are in that part. It is very later in this game, and it is beyond this mainland. It's a different plateau altogether. So okay, I think we need to go to the witch now. Yeah, 35. It's good. I mean, we are gaining some classes over here, because if you're planning to go to the dwarf mines, you better not. At this time, the monsters are there or are very very strong. We haven't faced them yet, so they are much stronger. So you won't be. It won't be easy for you unless you are 38, 39, and you have a good attack of when Devin has the most attack. It's like so the unholy shield over here. It's extra one right now. I'd rather sell it out later. I think since I think she can wear it. Can he? Ah, she can. As no, why I judged because Devin is a knight and she's princess. So I mean, kind of royal and royal army or royal armed forces, what you have called royal forces. So I thought something in common. So if she can wear this, she can also wear the paladin, the golden armor, and the ruby shield. So that would be available for her as well. So another expensive purchase to make if I'm going with Alicia. I think I should regain my life over here since I'm here. I also have to return the broomstick, right? So once I kill that witch, I think I'll have the broomstick from her. Then I have to get back here. So as I was saying, if you wear poison ring only and hit the black robe hexes, then you will get cursed. And if you wear the charm necklaces, then you are more vulnerable to the poison. So, and the two combination is good, but not that good because ultimately you have to find which one of your party member has to go defenseless against the frog and defenseless against the hexes. So, I'm making hard. Okay, that's good that the frogs give you mastery at least to refill your barrel. I think I have opened it. No, I haven't. And I have a vial of Haki film. That's good. Avoid the hex from her. There's a broomstick express over here. I think it is more south to go, and then left or to the west. Yeah, this is the biggest bridge. So this is the to identify the route, and we have gained level on Jack and the princess as well. I think I can call her Alicia. That's not princess now because she's not into her royal duties now. She's just like Talia and Devin and not like Jack, I would say. Not to compare with a thief, but he's a party member. I'm not discriminating, but can it hit it for me? Can she hit? No, yes, she can't. It's good that even we can't. It is not good. I mean, we should have something to hit from beyond the waters as well, like a bow and arrow. See, if you see, we made a multiple attack from Alicia, and we are cursed. Glad that I took holotonic from the mountain. I think I should buy more as well. And there's one more. I didn't kill her. Alright, let's avoid her. I think we need to go on the north. Alrighty then. That was some. For a moment it got hanged. Or just stuck. This is empty. I would rather cut some video over here. I'm just making lot of grinding for the video. I will edit some part. I will just cut down a few. So here we are, and this is the house. So before going in, I think I should just fill my health again and my mana points again. And I think we also have some. No, this is empty. There are 4 to 5 graves somewhere else. I will have to find that as well. But for now, I think I should refill myself and especially on Talia, so that Talia can put the spell, healing spell on everyone. And very important, I'll have this charm necklace on all my party members, because this is more important than health right now. Bearing this in mind, I mean, once we have a charm necklace, this won't be very difficult to beat her. Although we already had beaten the more stronger enemy, Avren, in the underworld for Death Relic. So this witch won't be much powerful to him. I mean, you might get her very soon. The last time it wasn't easy when I played it offline, and I didn't had the charm necklace. So she just cursed me a couple of times and it was done. And also I was on low class right that time, and one party member less as well. All right, we don't go for Equifilm. We are already on 198, so if we are very low, then we would prefer that. I would cut down some of the path to come from Witchwood Swamp to till this witch. It was a long grinding. I mean, it was not. It is not good for the video. I mean, just well, cut couple of minutes or 3 minutes of course time or the grinding time. So healing spell. This is good if you are in a low level right now. When we gain much class, then it won't be much essential to gain 25 health. Like we are right now like 300, so that's good. But when we go to above 500, then it won't be much beneficial. Okay, our everything is done. Let's put some alloy over here. I think one is not that important. One alloy for her. 5 I will do for bread, and we are full on. Okay, so let's get in. I already had. Okay, just confront her. Nothing in the vault. And the cat. Just meow. Have I stole? Okay, that's eating some sandwich. Okay. Okay, curse him down. Put some spell. Not this. Making it hard. I want to put sleep charm on her. I was not getting the right. Okay, that's done. I think she returns her room back, and let's get out. So we'll return this broom to the girl in Witchwood Swamp, and let's put our poison ring back. I think I'll cut the video over here. It is very long now, and I'll just cut 2 to 3 minutes of the video as well, so the grinding part, just to make it short. So next I think we'll go to the Seafall Shrine and get that room or the house in the along with the dock for the pirate, and return this broom as well. And let's go rest. I think poisoning is important. So that's it. I think it was easy. So